this one? Because there was an insect. Yeah, insect.
She's good. She repeat. Can barely hear her, but.
No more monkey jumping on the bed.
Hey, good morning. Another day of the bathroom. Very little on skin coating. And probably have to clean the floor. But before that, I like to do some painting, at least one coat. Let's see how we go. I will improvise as usual anyway. But it's bathroom for sure. And they're all sleeping so nicely. And Lily's there looking after. After I start work, you have to put her in the porch. Bella loves mommy tea, so she gets a little bit. She loves it. Yeah. Yeah, she's happy. Your tea nice, mommy?
I borrow your cup.
Good.
Drink.
Okay, let's get into work. I just got a little bit of skin coating still to do, not much, which is good. And a little bit of sanding. And then after that we'll get into the next step. So this video won't be as boring as the other. I hope. Just to fix a couple here, they were sticking out too much. So I countersink. It's better. Okay, application of apply skin coat. It's just about finished. I would say 99%. Maybe after I paint, I may find some places where it needs to be a bit more done. I'm gonna let it all dry, shouldn't take long. And then I'm gonna sand. It's mainly this sand here towards the door. And then I'm gonna clean all this around here, so much dust. And I'll probably do a coat of paint. I want to protect it from humidity or whatever. any place was not 100% well done, it's okay. This is tiling going there, but remember it's adhesive tiling. So let's wait everything dry. Won't take long. I'll have a rest. Okay, Jem's struggling with the water because when the tank in the carport is 3/4 empty, it's not much come down, but we know that it's not enough head to bring enough pressure. So while my skim coat is drying, maybe I'm gonna have a look at this pump. I'll show you what I've got and problem we may have. Okay, this is the baby I got, never installed. It's a 1.5 horsepower, so it's quite powerful. It's probably too much for a house, but it's good if you want to use a bit of a pressure spray or some sort. Now the problem with those tank, it's a bed tank. It's been welded here. Alright, it's been welded here, and I've seen a lot of pumps tank. I've seen a lot of tank of that type having a leak. This is a different design. This is rounded, which I thought is much better, would absorb the impact better. The problem with those pumps, if you use them directly, like when you open your tap, this will sense loss of pressure and it will make the pump start. Now when it does that all the time, and you do that maybe, I don't know, 100 times in the day, don't forget that then the pressure will give a thump every time, and this is what make those tank leaking. So how can I do to overcome that? You guys may give some idea. I'm not a hydraulic engineer, I'm not a plumber, I'm specialized in automotive components and manufacturing. It's completely different, but I understand principle of engineering, of course, and I think I believe that's the problem with those pump leaking here. This is the thumbing. How to overcome that? Maybe put a smaller pump. This is designed for 1.5 horsepower, but okay, now you know what I've got and how I should go about it. Of course, the ideal is to have a tank up, 30 meters up in the air, and this will feed that tank. And of course, there's no big thump 100 times a day anymore. It's gonna maybe just start once every 3 days or something. There's other system of pump. There's a booster pump. There's booster you can connect to your pump. And I think that's what I had in Australia, in Kingaroy. That was in the countryside. I had a 5,000 liter tank. I never had this kind of tank there, pressure tank. It was a booster, I'm pretty sure. I never really look at it when the thing was built, because everybody was doing everything for me. I was paying the people and they just come and install things, and I never ask any question, which I should, but I'm sure it was just had a little booster, that's all. So anyway, that's the story, and I need to get into it. Because the bathroom, once the bathroom is finished, we need the water pressure there. That's interesting. They put a garden hose here. That should absorb most of the shock when the pump start. But it's interesting that I hope that will last. I'm not sure. But that could be a savior. I'm just talking and thinking at the moment. I hope you guys can follow me and give some advice on this one. 1.5 horsepower, and this is half horsepower. Let me know what you think. I just found the plate, so yeah, it's a half horsepower. I probably need to glue this on. Yeah, as you know, Saturday we always go to Dipolog, and I will have to look at what I need to buy to connect this tank to the pump we showed you just before. Okay, let's start. Last sanding. Bella, just wake up. Straight to the slide. Okay, all cleaned up. All ready for painting. I think probably tomorrow morning. Yeah, we'll start tomorrow morning, I guess. Just put one coat. Okay, so still have to clean it a bit more. Probably get rid of that. Just keep this one, maybe. Just do the ceiling. Start the ceiling. So I'll do that tomorrow morning. Whew. First step done. There's 550 more to go. How's the new family going? Oh, sleeping. I know I saw them eating before. They eat and sleep, eat and sleep, eat and sleep. Did he have your rest? What a gorgeous day. Tomorrow should Gong come and cut the grass. I hope he does. Because we need, you can see here, it's terrible. Studying again? Yeah? Studying, my love? You sit with daddy? Okay. Okay, ready bath. Feel tired. So I'm having a bit of cool beer. And some happy peanuts. That's if you can't open it, those things are pain in the butt. If they are, they're working for company. Yeah, my love? You gonna sing a song? Oh, she's crying now.
I need to cut this because
Cut?
it's no holding.
Remove? Yeah. Bella, amazing. That's good.
Upaw ka, upaw.
Say hello, my love. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello. She's gonna grab the camera now.
Hello.
She cries so fast. Hello. Bella wants some peanuts. She loves peanuts. She loves everything I get. She loves chocolate. I love chocolate. She's crying. She cries sometimes at the house. Slowly but surely.
Yeah.
You like it. I didn't ask her this time. No, my love, don't go there. No, leave. Yeah, I know what you're going to do. You're going to make a disaster. To eat those peanuts.
Here.
Ah. Okay, so the in-laws will be happy.
When it will.
With that pump, the pump arrived
All right.
17 to 21. So just before Christmas.
We need to polish the floor again.
My gorgeous. My everything.
Okay. I just want to say thank you for supporting my channel.
Where's the link?
The link, where did you put the link? Okay, in the description.
In the first pinned comment. At the end of it. You can't miss it. What are you doing, my love?
Dancing.
Yeah, she loves dancing, singing. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See, bye-bye.
You don't say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.